You're going to need this add-on if you're using Global Skin in Blender. Universal Controls for Global Skin gives you a quick and easy way to apply and edit every Global Skin material on your character at once, without having to copy and paste every value into every material for every character. So, let's get started on how to use it. First, you will find the add-on for sale on my Patreon. This will be a one-time purchase, including all future updates and expansions. Once you have downloaded the Global Skin Controls zip file, go to Preferences, Get Extensions, and then select Install from Disk. Find the zip file, and then install. Once it's loaded, open up one of your 3D characters. Set up a HDRI and some side light to maximize quality. Open the Global Skin add-on. You will now see a new submenu called Global Skin Controls. Drop that down, and you'll have access to the add-on. At the very top, you will see a drop-down menu and an Apply button. This feature lets you apply Global Skin's materials to your character instantly. First, select your character, then pick the character type you are using. Then, hit the Apply Global Skin to Character button. Global Skin materials will then automatically apply to the correct body part materials on your character. Next up, below, you'll see two drop-down menus, one called Main Groups, the other called Separate Groups. Drop down the Main Groups menu. You'll get a list of several skin tones with effects. Select one and then hit Apply. This will instantly hook up a control group to every Global Skin material in your shader workspace. Go over to that control group and select it. Then hit Tab to enter it. Inside that group, you will find every Global Skin material value marked and ready for you to edit. Go over to one of the value nodes and make a change. You will then see all 4 Global Skin materials on your character change instantly. Now, you'll never again have to copy and paste these values or create your own groups. If you want even more control, use the Separate Groups menu. You can use these to mix together different skin tones or work with a more streamlined control scheme. Got a good setup you want to reuse? Go down and save it as a template. Now, you can give all your new characters a pre-made material in seconds. If you want to export your preset to a new Blender version, then press the Backup Template button. This will export a template file to your Blender's App Data preset folder. This folder is also where the add-on stores your templates when you save them. To import a template into a new Blender version, select the Import Template button, then find your template file and select it. This will load it into the add-ons library. Want to delete a group? Select it and hit the Delete Selected Controls button. That will delete that group from every Global Skin material on your character. Want to start from scratch? Hit the Delete All Controls button. This will remove every control group from every material on your character. Remember to use the Purge Unused Controls button to delete any groups in the Unused Data folder. If you're working on more than one character, then use the Make Materials Unique button. That will make the Global Skin materials and control groups unique to that character. Make Control Groups Unique will turn every control group on your selected character into a unique copy. This is useful if you're working on 2 characters at the same time and want to take one in a different direction. Make Skin Shaders Unique will turn Global Skin's own shader groups into unique copies, so you can edit its internal textures. Finally, I aim to keep this add-on up to date and include some expansions. If you find a bug or have an idea for a new feature you'd like to see included, please go to the add-on's GitHub page and post it in the Issues tab. The link is in the description. This add-on would not be made possible without the help of Ozary. To check out what he's working on, please use the link below and support him and his projects. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.